Oh my gosh, I just screenshot. I'm sorry. Okay, basically with this one, loaves of bread cannot be negative. So 42 minus 35 point, no, h, 3.5h. That has to be greater than 0. So that has to be greater than 0. So if you have 42 equals 3.5h, h equals, let me pop that into my calculator. 42, 12, so but instead of the equal sign, you have the less than or equal to sign. So h has to be less than 12 because you can't have negative bread. So this is making sure it's not negative. But you can have 0, so that's why it's less than or equal to, because you can have 0 loaves of bread, but you just can't have negative. And then the h itself has to be greater than 0, and this is because hours cannot be negative. So number of loaves can't be negative was solved by this, and having the greater or equal to 0 means that the hours won't be negative. So that's what they mean by domain. It's basically like what's possible. So this is like what's possible because you're getting rid of negative hours and negative loaves of bread. So that's domain.